Dagan na ng 1/4 anate. Sige daw. 1/4 na.
Share. Oh, that's that green one that
You don't like? Oh.
no, this one right. That green one. Yeah, the one you're getting.
Bali ganito ba?
What do you call that green one?
40. Pait-pait.
No. Don't try that one, y'all. Oh shit. My baby has a lot of piso. The CEO of the sorry. Wow. CEO of Motor Park. Wow. Japan imports. Or no? We're gonna follow. Damn, look at them.
Go on.
What is that? Okay, so I guess that one was too pricey, so where it's too pricey, babe? The CEO. Wow. They want some. You want onion or what? You want onion or what? Share. Pagdali. Oh, you should have cooked for it, bro.
Sure, you have the food in the fridge.
Oh yeah. Why didn't you cook? Oh, you could have just warmed that one up, no? What are you gonna cook? What are you gonna cook the chicken with? Ooh, lots of fish everywhere. What are you gonna cook the fish, the chicken with? 90. Oh. Which one you want? Dry fish everywhere. Dry fish. This one's only 130. Wow. 130, 180. Oh, is that the rice? More over here. This is lucky. Pasik. Oh, what is it? Dang, look at that one. Super. This one's like sardines right here. This one is 30. Oh shit, look at that one. Super black today. Oh shit, still need more. Super blogging, y'all. Super blogging. What are we doing, baby, next? But we're gonna buy you some fish. Dry fish. My asawa loves fish. And snake fish. Octopus. And shark. She eats a lot of shark. What else you like to eat, Bobby? Oh, and then she eats these things that look like gummy worms. Where are we going, Barbie? Let's go. We're on a mission to get some food. I think the YouTube needs a damn update because the camera's kind of shaky.